chance to
reaction on this?
Obviously, neither the government nor the bureaucrats are politicians, nor do they have a hand on the nerve of the people. So they obviously do not understand what this energy that has been leashed out on aggression because of the vacuum of Shahid Mahatma Benazir Bhutto. They do not have a cure. They don't have a cure for anything. So this is not the cure. What I'm talking about, free and fair, immediate election is a cure to convert that energy into the fact that people have taken their revenge by voting rather than burning. See, that wisdom is always lacking, which is in common sense in our so-called bureaucrats. You see, again, the wisdom is lacking here in this whole concept. You need to find out about these things if there is some ambiguity. Where is the ambiguity? You've got a footage. You've got a doctor who's seen her dead, who's seen the wound, who tried to save her. So all that is evidence. You don't need another autopsy, as far as I'm concerned. But we will get to that position and then we'll think about the answers to that also. Yes, sir. We have already in the People's Party taken a decision in the Central Executive Committee that we will write to the UN and ask for a UN-led and ask for the British to resource it and approach all the United Nations members. I've already requested my friends in America, and in fact, Hillary Clinton has already asked for this, for a investigation under the United Nations auspices, where they can come and properly investigate the event and get into the fact why was what all happened.